We out here in New England, man, we don't got the roads like y'all got in Florida and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Out west, man. You know, you guys got beautiful weather, beautiful roads. We got city weather, city roads.
Go, man. Also, my road, please.
Thank you so much. Not paying attention.
Dude, jamming over there.
Shout out to everybody getting speed bumps in this COVID, man. Out here getting the RC, getting the
Watch out.
car coming.
Yeah. After this one, you good.
Clear.
Yep.
All the way home.
Yep.
Man, that thing is good.
I did the same thing. I backed off. I see you trying to skip a little bit.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna catch and fling in the air.
Smell the tires again, man.
Oh yeah, he shaved that rear. Give him a brand new one. Fucking
about 3-4 miles an hour.
Oh, the GPS fell out.
Oh shit.
Wait.
Might have turned up and went inside.
Yeah.
$3 miles an hour? That's
Nope.
a joke.
Let me see.
3 miles an hour.
No. That's not peak speed.
Oh, you gotta click it.
Dynamite joint.
Mode. Let's see here. Alternate speed. Peak speed. Nah.
Did what it did to me that time.
123.
No, that's garbage. Alright. I mean, I tried to get as many guys as I could, you know.
I just spent $70 just to support you. To show you that we ain't bullshit.
Coming down.
And you diss me?
You good, just
Get it. Eat.
Oh, yeah, I'm scrolling. I realized you took the time.
that was me. I ain't turned the controller down.
I'm about to say, what? She wasn't even like she was peeking.
Nah, she
Car
was.
coming the other way. Drizzy trying to sandbag on a speed run?
Nah, that was.
Sandbag on a speed.
I pulled it all the way. Right at the end. Only did 85.
She moving with that freaking sound still.
Damn, what a sound! It sounds dangerous, man.
My car turning.
Don't turn in.
Nice save.
Driver. Whoa.
That's what mine was. That was mine was doing.
Let's try and get on it. Come back, yeah. How you got on it?
Oh.
Oh, she better dig now.
Yeah. Started eating.
That's MMA.
Nah, it stopped. Remember you just was looking at the system?
Mm-hmm.
That stock ESC too. Everything
Car
stopped.
coming.
Yes, sir.
Got you.
Car coming to the side.
Got you.
You got the fins on this shit.
She holds straight though.
You got a cat pack on there?
It's all stock.
No cat back?
That's your little,
Grip now.
That's if you like it that shit. You can just bash.
Yeah, do whatever you want with
Play
it.
with it. A fun car. Real fun car.
Just save.
I had to get out.
Just save. I see that shit.
I had to get
About
out.
to get a burnout. Oh, hold on. Wait. Watch out. Watch out. Stay there. Whoa.
My